All right, this is a great big thank you for everybody here. Thanksgiving is upon us this week. We are here at Restore Muscle Car. We're having a Black Friday special with all of our merch. You spend $100, we're going to give you one of our new fender covers. You spend $200, you're going to get a free hoodie of choice that we have on our website. You spend over $300 and we have our new Bandit box with a whole bunch of goodies and stuff similar to what's in this pile of stuff here on this table. We have multiple specials and other parts as well. 10% off all of our weather stripping. But check out our website, see what stuff is for sale. Contact us for any questions. Make sure that you join our email campaigns. Just go to our website and there's an option to join our email list, because we send out emails at least once or twice a week with everything from cars that we have coming in, projects that we got going on, to new merch available in our store, to new parts that are available that we're producing or that are now becoming available. So don't miss us online. So I want everybody to travel safe and enjoy their Thanksgiving this week and this weekend, and enjoy the nice weather if you got some in your area.